Greetings friends, today we're going to learn a very interesting topic that is chainable query set. I guess all the programmers here who has used the Django framework are familiar with the concept of models. We all have used the objects.all query or objects.filter query to get data from the database. Of course, many of us have wondered what this objects.all or objects.filter function does. So, here we are going to learn about it. Here I have created this app called Chainable Query Set, in which I have this another app that is Chain Query. Chain query has been simply mapped with the chainable query set, and in the models.py file I have these two classes. The first one is the computer manager and the next one is computer. We all are familiar with this format in which we have inherited the models.model class, and this class is more or less self-explanatory except for this thing. Objects here is an instance of computer manager. Let's see what this computer manager is. In the computer manager, I have created this class called computer manager inheriting models.manager class. Here I have created two functions, gaming and beginner RAM. You of course can create any other function with any other property or any other functionality, and then instantiate it as objects. This will allow you to use it in the views. Now let's see how this can be done. Here in the home, I have simply created this computer's object. Here I have used computer.objects.beginnerRAM, whose functionality I specified here. Beginner's RAM accepts a function called RAM size and then returns a query with the filter of that RAM size. I of course could have made any other query here as well. This allows us to save specific queries and then use them in the views.py file to better create the modules. You of course can create your own queries, personalize them, and then use them in your app. Now, so let's see this thing in motion. Here I have this index.html file which will simply print the objects that I pass in this query. On refreshing it, let's first check the database first. I have this XYZ laptop with the RAM of 4. Here I can see that of course this thing is working. Now let's see something else. I have this MNO laptop with the RAM size of 8. So let's change the server a bit. Here I can see that this MNO and PQR laptop were added to the list. Now let's use the other query. Here instead of beginner RAM, I will use the gaming functionality. Here all the laptops of type gaming were accessed. With that, I will end today's lecture. Thank you.